We didn't bring the hammer. Oh my god. We didn't bring that hammer. Holy shit. What's up, Ottawa? Welcome to my YouTube channel. A little bit different content than what we typically have on here. This is more vlog style. Today we're actually just at my newest listing. It's a rental listing. It's gonna be $2,700 a month, so it's a pretty good deal. It's an N unit here in Riverside South. Starting the video off from inside, I can show the house after, just because it's so cold today. Walking through here, coming in, we have nice little half bath. Oh, there I am. Check the bald spot. Looks all right. And yeah, not too bad. Nice here. You have a little bit of an extra window on the side with it being an unit. Make it a little bit brighter. Let's take a look here. So actually these guys just refinished the floors. Oh, there's John on the computer. He's working away. We're doing some photo and video content. John does all of my magic behind the scenes. But you can see, like, nice open concept here. Beauty. Like, great spot to hang out for John there. Like I said, this hardwood floor was refinished. I think it got a little bit damaged by a previous tenant. These landlord clients of mine have done a lot of good work here to get the house ready. Actually, I want to go upstairs next. This is all brand new carpet on the stairs. It's a nice touch. It's actually nice and warm on my feet right now because it's, like I said, it's the coldest day of the year in Ottawa. You come up here, we have 3 bedrooms. Bedroom here, pretty good size. Walk that around. Go in the next spare bedroom over here. Very bright house. Yeah. Ooh. And come in here. So this is the second bath in the house, half bath downstairs. And here's the primary bedroom, sorry. You can see we have an ensuite and a walk-in closet. Again, pretty good size. I'll do my spin again. Let's check this out. It's actually a pretty good closet. Big size. Hang up lots of stuff. And then let's take a peek in here. And everything's in very, very good shape. Another nice touch they put here. New vanity in this bathroom. I also think there is a new vanity there too. Again, extra windows on the side with it being an unit. Makes it really bright. Let's run downstairs here. Take a peek at the basement. Again, new carpeting going downstairs. Really, really nice. New flooring. Beauty. So it's just one room down here. You can see I got the fireplace. Do my spin. Woo. And fire over here. Got some laundry in here. Storage. Front of the house. And then a little bit more this way. Furnace room. That's nothing to see there. It's not any sort of bad staining. It's just some old rust. Good to go. Yeah, that's it for the interior. House is pretty legit. Nice spot. Hey, he said we're gonna go outside, put up the real estate sign. You can see one of my most hated things in the industry, and that's putting out signs, especially when it's -30 outside. All right, we're just warming up here in the car. Like I said, coldest day of the year in Ottawa. Where Johnny's bundled up in his Canada Goose. I'm gonna go put the sign up in front of this thing. So pop out the car. Oh, I gotta turn on my toque. Got my Home Alone tube. I look like Harry from Home Alone. Let me see it. Oh, we didn't bring the hammer. We Holy shit. Okay, well, I guess we're gonna be coming back tomorrow. We'll put the sign we'll put the sign up tomorrow. Alright, well that was a bonehead move by us. We forgot the hammer to try to stake our sign into the ground, but anyways, while we're still here, we're gonna do that tomorrow. I guess we'll put the sign up. Hopefully it's a little bit warmer. But here's the house on the outside. Like I said, 3 bedroom, 2 bath, townhome, 2,700 bucks a month. Big side yard. And yeah, guess we'll have to put our sign up tomorrow. All right, it's a new day. Same mustache. Uh, we're on our way back to our listing that John forgot the hammer yesterday. Supposed to put it in my trunk, he didn't. We're gonna go put the sign up. It's still freezing out. Yesterday wasn't a complete waste of time though. We actually did like listing photos, stuff like that, which is great. But anyway, stay tuned. We're gonna go back out, put this sign on finally. I will be headed back next day. I got 2 hammers for that, so I should be good to go. This might be a pain in the ass because this ground is so frozen. Made of that. Ooh. Let's fly off. He's a little crooked, but Sorrento. There you go. She's up. This space, 2,700 a month, baby.